What's up, everybody? It's your boy Randall D, TechGeek RLD, back again with another video. And today we're gonna take a look at, let's see here, this right here, RGB TV Sync Light by Vivitar. Look at it, look at it. RGB TV Sync Light. Now, the difference between a typical LED strip is that it's a static color that just goes around your TV, or it's a solid color or whatever. Something like this, like the groove LED strips as well, something like this is supposed to be able to adjust the color of the LED strips to what's being displayed on the TV right there. So we're gonna put that to the test. And according to the box here, it says this fits a 65-inch TV. The TV right there, 65 inches in the master bedroom. Y'all gonna put some respect on it. We ain't doing no 50, 46 inch. No, we're not doing that. 55, no, 65 inches in the master bedroom. That's right. Put some respect on it. But anyways, we're gonna take a look at this light strip right here. Let me turn the camera around. So for a typical unboxing, you know how you gotta do? You know how I do. You gotta slam it. You gotta let it know you mean business. Just like I'm at Amazon, just slamming everything. But anyways, let me get a picture for that real quick. You know, the RGB TV Sync Light. So let's take a look at the front of the box real quick. You can pick this up at Walmart for about, I think it was like $15. You can pick this up at Walmart, $15, $15 to $20. I'll leave the correct price in the description. Let's take a look at the back. By Vivitar. TV color hue sensor automatically controls the color of the light strip. That's critical. Matching direct to media. Easy installation includes corner bracket connectors for seamless fit. Works with most major monitoring and screens. Designed for up to 65-inch screen. I need that. Compatible with most LED strip lights. Contents: color sync sensor, 8-foot LED light strip, corner bracket connects, user manual. So this is the box. Like I said, I got this from Walmart. Little of this, little of that. There's the front of the box, letting you know it has video sync. Fits up to 55 to 65 inches, 8-foot rope LED strip, RGB IC. So of course I probably can't control this with Monster and things like that, or Alexa. I probably can't control it with that kind of stuff, but you know. All right, so that's the box. Next, let's do the unboxing and let's see what's on the inside. They're gonna put some respect on it. All right, so let's get this opened up. Let's see what's inside the box. Trying to do this with one hand. I had already cut the tape. Let's see here. Got the Xbox controls in the bed for visual aesthetics. All right. Put that to the side. Won't be needing that. Nothing else in the box. Won't be needing that. Of course, we got this here. This is probably something I can't open with one hand. I'm gonna try. There we go. Unboxing skills right there, ladies and gentlemen. Unboxing skills. All right, so that's the LED strip. Little of this, little of that. Put that right there. What else is in here? Reach into my bag. You know what I'm saying? Trying to do this with one hand. Talk amongst yourselves, please. Talk amongst yourselves. That's it. We got an instruction booklet. Let you know how to set everything up, how to install it. And I imagine that black bracket right there probably determines on how the video looks on screen and how to sync the lights. But we'll get into that in a second. Let's see here. What else we got? So this is the actual assembly itself. So right here, you got the connector. I imagine that goes probably to the light strips or something along those lines. That probably goes to the light strips. Right here, you got USB for power. Plug this to a USB port on your TV, so when you turn your TV on, the lights come on. It's that simple. And on the end right here, this is probably the part, like I said, you mount on your TV, and it probably has like a sensor or something in there. So when the colors reflect back, it tells the RGB strip what color each section of the strip should be, so that the color of the RGB strip on around your TV matches what's on video or what's on your screen. I imagine what that's going to be. I mean, I'm not a rocket scientist. I'm not an engineer. I am a computer geek, but yeah. So let's get this set up, see how it goes, see how it works out. You know, just got off of work. We're going to figure it out. It's my first time using something like this, you know, because my TV right now, it has just a basic RGB strip on the back, which is not even on. I told Alexa to turn it on, and she did not turn it on. Failed. But we're going to get this installed, and we'll see how it goes. It's your boy TechGeek RLD. Stay tuned. Hold on, let me figure out what's going on with the size of this TV, you guys, because this is ridiculous. Babe, how big is the TV in our room? 75 inches. So, okay, so yes, that's why those light strips do not fit. That's why those lights don't fit on the TV, because I thought the TV was 65 inches. That one. It turns out that TV is 75 inches. 75. That's let me get my pick my. That's why those strips didn't fit on the TV, because the box said 65-inch maximum, but my TV is 75 inches. Anyways, I readjusted the strips just to make it look nice and decent. I will have to go back and buy a 75-inch version to go all around the TV. So since it doesn't fit correctly, the light scheme of the sensor and things of that nature probably won't be in sync correctly, because the light strips are going to think that it's all the way connected, but meanwhile in reality there's going to be a long gap between this end of the strip versus the beginning of the strip. So as far as, you know, the strips are concerned, they may not throw the correct lighting. Fail. TechGeek failed. So let's take a look at, let's see how it looks at with the light off. As you can see, I got the strips like halfway around the TV. They start like on the left, go over here, and come down like to the middle right there, or right there. They can't feel the other rest of the TV because my TV is just too damn big. 75-inch TV in the master bedroom. 75 inches. Who would have thought? Like, okay, so let's continue with the video. Let's see what the pairing process is. Let's see if I can get it set up. I still got to mount that little sensor that probably goes on the top of the TV right there. So we'll see what happens. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so I mounted that little sensor right there, kind of like in the middle, well, somewhat in the middle of the TV. That's as close as it's going to get since I got the quote wrong TV size. I will be buying another product to do an update video on this, but let's see here. So next we need to turn it on and see if it matches the color of what's on screen, which a lot of you can see it's a lot of purple and blue and things of that nature. Yeah, looks like it works to me for the most part. As you can see, the video is blue. The video is blue and purple, and my lamp over there is purple. So let me grab the remote and let's see what happens when I change the video scene. So I'm gonna go to something like this. Okay. Yes, it's working. It's working. See how the color of the lights like turn to like a pinkish color or orange color? Well, I could say orange, but lavender or whatever, because the light sensor is sensing the color from those couches or just the scene in general. It's sensing that, and that's why the color of the lights behind the TV look the way they are. Let's try another scene. Let's try another one. Let's try something like with some content. Let me play a music video. Let's go to a music video, right? Give us some action. Come out here to music. Linkin Park. Let's see. Just a little bit more faster colors. Something faster. Michael Jackson, Beat It. Okay, let's fast forward. Okay, them lights look like they walking down the alley. It probably look better in a video game because in the video game there's more colors, there's more action. But okay, so yeah, these get the job done. Little of this, little of that. It's your boy TechGeek RLD, you guys. And let's see what happens. Well, of course, when I turn the light on, I think the lights also are going to change because the sensor right there is probably going to take the ceiling lights because it's going to be so bright in here. Well, no, they're about the same color because that sensor is still looking at the TV. But yeah, so that's how it looks with the light on. So, but anyways, it's your boy TechGeek RLD. Look at, hold up. Taking a look at, yes, the RGB TV light sync by Vivitar. I ain't heard. I had to look at the box again. I ain't heard of them. They're not about that. They're definitely not by Monster or Razer, any of them companies. But yes, this gets the job done. I imagine it will be better performing, or it'll look better if you had a smaller 65-inch TV. But apparently, in my master bedroom, we have a 75-inch. And of course, downstairs is the 85-inch. So there's more content coming. It's your boy Randall D, TechGeek RLD, and you know my slogan. They gonna put some respect on it. All right, y'all.